In this Go High Level review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Go High Level. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll provide a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Gohighlevel is an all-in-one marketing CRM that allows you to have automations, create email templates, and have all the best tools needed to market your business or website effectively. So you'll be taken to this dashboard page once you first land. And again, we have an account here, Opulent Tools, because you have agency views and then you have your account view. So just make sure you have an account right there, a sub account. And you see on this dashboard, again, it's got the leads it can generate for you. You can connect to Facebook and Stripe and add multiple team members. As you can see right here, it doesn't hesitate to show you at all. And you got the notifications, the help button, your account, and a change log as well if you want to view it. So that's the launchpad. Again, this is the main dashboard. That previous one was the launchpad. So dashboard here, you can see the opportunities you may have for your business. Once you got all that sorted, the numbers and statistics would be right here for you. The conversion rate, the pipeline value, the stage of distribution, the funnels, your promotional pipeline, and you've got your workflow as well to see how successful and how efficient that is with tasks you've set up here as well. So these are things we'll be doing as we go on with this review, but this is where you see them overall. So you got conversations here. If you have any conversations with any of your leads, any companies, any investors, anybody helping you out, this is where you connect to them. And even for your team as well, you simply just put a customer name, customer phone number, a message, put right there. Manual actions, if you wanted to select a campaign workflow, if you had any specific thing you wanted to do, and you can put a message template as well. So you can add a text template or an email template. We'll look at a text template. So text template, again, you put the name, whatever you want, up, and then you got the custom values. So user, full name. So if you want to put that full name, you got the trigger links as well for them. So there we go, that's the texting template, the email template as well. It's a similar thing again, the name, the subject, the typing page right there. You can attach a file for it or send a test, and that's how you get the right email you want, and naturally you can type in yourself as well. Then I'll see trigger links all here, the links. You can add a link if you want to as well, a name and a link URL for any triggers you have. But yeah, we'll go down to calendar, and calendar is pretty straightforward. Again, just as it says, you can track your schedules on whatever you're doing on the tool. Calendars, appointments if you have any holiday request leaves, or if there's any deadlines for a specific kind of task and project that you have to meet, even booking requests as well that may come in for you and your company. Your settings here as well. Again, nothing too complex, just allow you to edit the features within the calendar, business info, your staff. Staff will all be right there, your team management, your different teams, your pipelines, calendars, phone numbers, reputation management as well, and all these other settings all right here, just within the calendar settings. So that's quite useful. And again, you've got your contacts right here. Again, you know, anyone you're in contact with, any businesses, investors, customers, right there for you. Got bulk actions you can take as well if you want to link a group with a bulk action. And here you would actually have the company as well, you know, as opposed to just the person. And you got tasks right here. Put a new task if you want to. Just put the task title, you know. You select your assignee, their contact, the due date, Friday, and you essentially save. We're not going to put the contact field here because we don't have anyone, but that's how you create your tasks, essentially. And that's opportunities. Opportunities as well. Any leads you have, anything that can help your company, you know, any investors that can help you out, anybody that can just increase the value and the business opportunities you have. But the contact name, the email, phone, the tags, the company name itself, and the opportunity name as well, what it's specifically for. Your pipeline, naturally your promotion pipeline, you want to get it down through. and your stage as well, new leads or hot leads or booking requested. So whichever one it fits within, which stage it fits within. Then you got your status as well, if it's open, won, or lost, or abandoned as well as the specific value of this lead. So it's quite a lot of features they allow you to edit here as well. And you can still book an update, an appointment here, and edit your task through this as well. So that's very useful to have. Then you go to marketing now, and this is where it gets interesting. If you want to market your account on all social media, you got your social planner naturally. So that's where you can market yourself on all your social media accounts that you connect through. So you don't have to do it constantly through each one individually. You can just do it all in one bulk, and this will help you do it. But we won't connect our social media here, so we'll just go to our campaigns. If you get emails as well, you can create email campaigns for yourself. We'll create it there. And you're taken here. So, design editor. And you can see you can start from scratch with the campaign. You drag into right there. So you have the button link. If you have a header, you edit it. And then, you just type it here. Tools, nothing complex. And that's your button link. That'll be done. Again, you can see with tools, you can edit all your text, bolden, italicize, mark its position, its font specifically as well. Font's very useful if you're trying to create interesting emails as well. And the padding, and once again, just its position within the email. Go back. If you want to add an image, drag it here. And again, if you have any image in your URL, you simply just, you upload the file here, and you drag it right there. We wouldn't drag any email, of course, but we wouldn't drag any image, of course, but yeah. Then you got the button, like we said. You got the divider as well. If you want a divider, again, nothing too complex. It just divides the different features of the emails. Socials, if you want to put a social somewhere, so you can see, remember all those buttons before, right there. And naturally, you have to connect to your accounts for all your social media. But it's a nice list it gives you there with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. So, okay, done. You can edit all of them as well, the way they're displayed, so that's useful to have. If you have a video as well, you put the video there, preferably a YouTube video, you put a link to it. And it doesn't just have to be YouTube, you got Vimeo, Wistia, HTML5 as well. So, again, very, very creative, actually. They've given you a lot of creative license on this. And there are a lot of tools for you, even a footer as well. You can put there for email address and copyright notes. So these are many, many useful features you can utilize to simply create your email from scratch. You can send and schedule from an email to another person, schedule when it's coming out, for RSS schedules, for your blog posts. Again, there's a lot that's provided for you here, and naturally you save it as well. Can test email, preview templates, see a version history. If you're not happy with any changes, you want to go back to a few. And you got appearance as well, the template, background color, if you want to change that. Quickly, just get rid of that. Background color, if you want that to be this sort of pinkish color right there. Body color as well, blue. So that's not, you already made it quite colorful. So that's quite nice to have. If you want a background image, you can upload it just clicking through here, or you get a URL in general, and the content width as well if you want to edit that. So that's quite nice to have. And that's just the marketing for your emails as well. And the templates will be right here if you want to template yourself, and trigger links again. Then automation. So you got workflows right here. You can create a workflow. Create a new workflow. You can choose from here, pick a campaign to import from. Your offer claim nature. I'll start from scratch. Or recipe for appointment booking. So these are different workflow templates you have available for you right there. Again, as long as you click on create new, and right here you can see you get the trigger and you map it to the action for you. So it's the same as usual softwares that allow you to mess with automation. So whatever trigger you need will be available for you. Workflow trigger, you have them right here. There are a lot of points they offer you. appointments, birthday reminder, contact change, contact D&D. So again, all these triggers right there, you can save it to it and then map it to your actions as well and see your version history. Go through settings, status, all these things that happen with your workflow and can help your automation. Then you got your different sites as well. So if you have, any sites you want to connect to, any funnels, any websites, you just connect them right here, and your software tool will be linked to that website, even with WordPress as well, and forms, surveys, membership. So again, you can connect for a whole litany of things, and your reputation you can see here as well. So your current goal, what you want to do, your sentiment, your review trends, your average rating, your invite trends, your reviews received. You can send a review request as well to a customer, the name and email, and they can help you your review as well for your website, see if it's effective. And reporting on Google Ads as well. You see the impressions, the clicks you've got, and the conversions, the client spends. You have a whole list of this campaign and your analytics through Google Ads as well, and then Facebook ads too if you're working through those. And so there are a lot of things you can look at through here that can help you automate your business and make it as effective as possible. So overall, I think Gohighlevel is very effective. I found it very easy to use. It helped me in all the things I was trying to do with my business. Sure, there were lots of features, but it seemed very intuitive and I didn't have to struggle in finding out how to do certain things. If you enjoyed, leave a comment below with a question as well, and I'll provide a discounted link for you. Thank you for your time.